Hi, this is Akshit. I work as a developer at Maxim. In this video, we'll go through the single line integration for Together SDK by Maxim for observability. So Together is a platform which hosts more than 200 plus generative AI models. We can use Together for inference, fine tuning, and for renting the GPU clusters. So let's go ahead and see how the single line integration by Maxim works. The link of this cookbook you will find in the description of this video. So first of all, let's import Together, then let's import Maxim. And from maxim.logger.together, I'm importing instrument together. Then let's set the environment variables, the together API key, which you can get from their platform, the Maxim API key, and Maxim log repo ID. So all of the three environment variables I've already set in my environments file. If you want to get your Maxim log repo ID, you can just go to the logs tab in Maxim, click on create repository. Let's name it as together repo, and let's click on create. And over here, once you click on continue, you will get your unique ID. So let's run this cell. Now let's load the environment variables and also configure Maxim. So I just created an instance of maxim.logger, and then I provided it to the instrument together, which takes a logger. Now let's make a simple chat completion request. So I'm using the Together client. I'm using this model, which is Meta Llama. You have to enable this model in your Together platform. And then you have to just pass the list of messages. So first message is from a user, which says, what are some fun things to do in New York? And once I run this cell, I'm going to get a response back. And then let's see if we get this response logged on Maxim or not. So I can see the log over here. So if I just click on this session, I can see the trace. And inside this trace, you can see the total cost, tokens, latency. If you go inside this trace, you see the LLM call that you made, the model that you used, the timestamps, the output, input, total, the user message, and the final response from the assistant. So I can see that using the single line integration by Maxim, we can push the logs from Together platform, Together application to Maxim platform. Now let's use a streaming request. So over here, I just made stream is equal to true, and we're going to get the response in chunks. And you can see that we got the response. Now let's go back to Maxim. I can see the streaming request. So if I go to this log in the LLM call, I can see all of that data. So let's go back, and then I'm going to make an async request. So over here, we import async IO, and from together, I'm importing async together. Rest all of the things remain quite the same. Over here, you just need to pass, you need to make the call like this, async client, the client that you created just now, which is a together client, .chat.completions.create, provide the model, provide the messages, gather the responses, and then just print the message content. That's it. So let's run this cell, and I got a response back. So over here, I had two messages. What are the top things to do in SF, and what country is Paris in? So I have got two sessions over here. So if I just open the first one, I see the trace, I see the LLM call, and it is perfect. Second one is what country is Paris in, and I can see the same data. Okay, great. So this was using the async IO. If you're building an AI application using Together platform, then you can use Maxim as an observability platform for observing all of your LLM calls. So we have the single line integration by which you can just write instrument together, provide a logger, and all of your logs, traces, spans will be pushed to Maxim automatically. Till the next video, all the best for your AI journey.